Hello kids, let's learn about parts of computers today. A computer is an electronic machine. Main components of a computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, Monitor is also known as visual display unit. It is the screen of computer. CPU is also known as central processing unit. It is the brain of a computer. A keyboard helps us type on a computer. A mouse helps us move and point on the computer screen. It has two main buttons, left and right. Additional parts of computer are those devices which are added as per the user requirement. Printer, speaker, headphone, scanner, joystick, microphone, compact disc, DVD, pen drive.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe our channel.